Welcome to Adamate, your trusted partner for web accessibility and ADAs and WCAG compliance solutions. See, as you may know, the Americans with Disabilities Act and the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines set the standards for accessibility on the web. These guidelines ensure that all users, including those with disabilities, have equal access to the information and functionality of your website. But what happens if your website is not compliant? If your website is not ADA compliant, can result in huge penalties and nasty lawsuits that will also ruin your company's reputation. That's where we come in. At Adamate, we offer highly user-friendly, cloud-based, cost-effective compliance solutions. Our ADAs and WCAG compliance widget can be installed on your website in just minutes with a single line of code, and provides a wide range of accessibility features such as a screen reader, virtual keyboard, epilepsy mode, blind mode, and many more. Also translate your website into over 120 languages. But we don't stop there. For a limited time, we're offering a free accessibility audit of your website. This will give you a detailed report of any issues found on your website and recommend the necessary changes to bring it into compliance. But making your website accessible will bring you a lot of benefits. An ADA-compliant website will give you access to the $650 billion disability market. Also, search engines use accessibility as a ranking factor, and an ADA-compliant website is more likely to rank higher in search results. An ADA-compliant website reflects positively on a company's values and mission, and increase the reputation. Don't wait! Contact us today to schedule your free accessibility audit, and let us help you make your website accessible to all users as soon as today.